So why are drones useful? Previously, we looked at how drones work and the components that they have, but now we're going to zoom in on the camera and talk about why it makes a drone so useful to us. One application could be sending a drone into a hard-to-reach place and using the camera to look around, and perhaps we might see some people in distress that need rescuing, and then we can deploy some rescuers to go save them. At Aerobotics, we use drones and their cameras to take hundreds and thousands of photographs of crops in farmers' orchards. And we use these photographs to generate information that's really useful to the farmer. We use a technique called image recognition. So what is image recognition? Image recognition is using a computer to recognize things in the same way that you would. If I showed you a photograph of an orchard with 100 trees, you would be able to point to what is a tree in that picture. We can do the same thing with computers. If you had to count the trees in an orchard in hundreds and thousands of photographs, it would take forever. But a computer can do this in a couple seconds, extremely quickly. This is called image recognition. Oftentimes when you hear the words image recognition, you'll also hear things like artificial intelligence or machine learning. So what is artificial intelligence or machine learning? Artificial intelligence and machine learning are quite simply teaching a computer program how to do something useful. I'm going to explain this by talking about you, because these computer programs actually have similar structures to your brain. When you were young, you didn't already know how to do all the things that you could do. You had to learn. And you learned by experience, by trying things, by imitating what other people do. And these computer programs are exactly the same. We give them information. So, for example, when you were young, you learned what a tree looks like, that it's mostly green, its leaves are this shape. And we do the same with computers. We give them images or pictures of trees, and the computer programs learn the characteristics of the trees. They learn that trees are mostly green or these different types of green. They learn that the leaves are these different shapes. And with more and more information and data and more pictures, these computer programs become quite good at this task. And this is the essence of machine learning and artificial intelligence. You shouldn't be scared of terms like machine learning and artificial intelligence. They're incredible tools that you can use to do amazing things. And these are your first steps in using them.